My name is Dr. Kora Fafega Uchichi. I'm a optometrist in Medibu Adama University Teaching Hospital, Yola. One interesting thing I like about Pro EHR is the fact that I can actually input my patient's data by information even when I'm not full. Maybe I'm able to finish that work and during the day I can actually take it home.
Like, it's very, very easy to use. Just switch to their mobile app and get it done.
Another thing is that even when, because sometimes it explodes power outage, so even when there's power outage and when it comes back on, I can equally check are you still intact. Like there will not be the data and everything, all the information, it's there. So it is a very interesting platform and it's easy to use. Thank you.